Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how my bedroom went from nothing to something. I got this bed set from the furniture store and I absolutely loved it, minus that comforter, but stay tuned to see how I make it look good in my room.
6.5 hours later.
The first thing I see when I walk in is this calendar from Target. It is really cool because it's a whiteboard. You can write on it. It does not have the year on it, so you erase it, you change the month, you change the year, whatever the case may be. It's really, really cool and I love it. Here you have my closet. There's not really much to see. I didn't open it for a reason. I need to do my laundry. But now you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of the video speak for itself.